When the days are cold and the cards all fold and the saints we see are all made of gold. When your dreams all fail and the ones we hail are the worst of all and the bloods run stale. I wanna hide the truth, I wanna shelter you, but with the beast inside, there's nowhere we can hide. No matter what we breathe, we still are made.
Buongiorno! Hello guys! Today we are in the beautiful city of Milan, here in Italy, and I'm gonna take you with me. Isn't this exciting? So last night we had an amazing dinner when we arrived here. We ordered seafood pasta, seafood pizza, and seafood risotto. If you guys are following me on Snapchat, then you would have catch that. I was Snapchatting all the way on the dinner. So you can follow me on Snapchat at Misskaykrizz, because I've recently become active on that now. And now we are here in my hotel room here in Attendant Hotels, Milan. You can see it's a beautiful pink room once again. It's very feminine. It has a different beauty, not like in Bangladesh. It's like very luxurious, but this one is beautiful in its own way, and it's like very Italian. I know Italy is very famous for their furnitures, so that's why they have amazing furnitures in this hotel. Oh, I'm so bright. Anyways, I'm on my way to the breakfast, so you will come with me and see what they have here in the hotel. I don't think it's much, but at least have something before we leave. And we are going to the city. I'm going to the Duomo Cathedral. I want to go up till the top of that cathedral, so you can come with me. And come on, let's go and let's start the day. This is breakfast. It's my first time to eat here actually. I never come here. I always go out early. Hi Jill. It's Jill again. Remember Thailand? Eating time. Dorino. We are in Duomo. Oh no, battery's low. There's the sun. Natunaw si Jill. She's a vampire. Kidding. It's a beautiful day here in Milan. Okay, so we're going this way. We're going to the top of this cathedral. Oh yeah. Wait first. We have reached the top of the Duomo Chapel. I'm standing on the roof. Literally the top of the chapel. So this is it. There's Jill. Hi Jill. She's sad. Why are you sad? God, it's so pretty. beautiful. Hi girls! It's a video. We're having a sun tanning session right now because it's so sunny. Where are we gonna go next now? You reach the other side?
Yeah, not yet.
Oh, not yet.
Not yet.
We try to reach the other side. What is that?
Gelato.
Kiko or gelato? So I'm here in Duomo. These are the shopping places. And the church was there. We just came from there. And now we're walking on the street. We're searching for Kiko and gelato. Sana kayo, Kiko and gelato?
Ciao.
Ciao!
What is this one? It's chocolate. It's yogurt. Is this gelato?
Coco. What's this yellow one?
Peach.
And that,
Maracuja.
what is her?
One fruit.
I thought mango, but this one pistachio. I want pistachio. We found Kiko. It's there. Oh, finally. Kiko. So this is the Kiko makeup. Kiko. Oh no. I bought some stuff. Oh my god. So this is the Vittorio. This is a high-end store here in Milan. Ganda! Ganda-ganda dito. We're finding the goat thingy that you could like step on the thingy of the goat and then you will have a wish come true or something like that. So, where is Jill? Jill? Ito na naman kami. Lagi itong nawawala si Jill eh pag magkasama kami sa layover. Jill Ann, where are you? Jill! Wala na. Iniwan ako ni Jill. Hi! Look! It's the Duomo! Hello, Duomo!
Ascolta,
That's the Tito Emmanuel. And this is the Plaza. Whoop, whoop. So happy to be here. Oh, look at the pigeons. So cute. Hello. There. Can anybody hear me? There's the details. This people actually try to hold on these parts. That's why this becomes like bronze. Also, this part here, people always hold it this way. I think this is Mary, and this is Jesus Christ, and this is Christ doing. I think it's one of the sufferings of Christ, and this might be the angel. And if you can see, oh actually a wall. Wow. What details. So cool, right? That's the wall, one of the walls of the Umo. Right in the front side of the church. See? And this is the entrance to the church, and that's the exit. The artwork is amazing, guys. Nothing in the world like it. Hey guys, I am back at the hotel room. After we had our lunch at the canteen, we just bought some souvenirs like ref magnets and the wines and black pasta. And then we head on back to the train station, and at the train station our hotel shuttle picked us up, and now I'm back here at the hotel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of 24-hour stay in Milan. I hope that you enjoyed my co-workers. They're such an amazing crew that I have today, so I was just so blessed to have them. So that's it, guys. I had an amazing time today, and now I have a few hours of rest and I will be going back to base. Basically, that's the drill for all of my flights. That is a layover. So you are now familiar of how I work. So anyways, I have enjoyed your company. I hope that you enjoyed mine as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. So give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and share the video to other travel vlog enthusiasts like you and me. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope to see you on the next video, and I will fly with you soon. Mwah! Bye bye.